We're told that this is an arithmetic series, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus 47. And they want us to find the sum using the formula. So we're going to use the formula. The sum of the first n terms, s sub n, equals n divided by 2 times the first term, a sub 1, plus the last term, a sub n. Big problem here. We have no idea how many terms are here because we see the 1, the 2, the 3, then a bunch of blank spaces up to the number 47. Quite honestly, this is an easy one because it's just every whole number, so we could figure that one out. But if it was more complicated, we'd have trouble. So I'm going to show you the general way to do this problem when you cannot notice a pattern to quickly figure out how many terms there are. This is how you would approach this. Okay, first of all, write down the formula for the sum of the first n terms for an arithmetic series. S sub n equals n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Step 1. First find the first term, a sub 1. Well, we can just look at the list. The first term is equal to 1. That's the value listed as the first term. Step 2, find a sub n. Well, that's listed too. The last term is equal to 47. You see that in the given information. What we don't know is what n is equal to. Step 3, find n. Okay, here's the way to find n. It equals the number of terms, and we cannot see how many terms there are in a complex problem like this. So here's a trick. Since this series is arithmetic, we may use the formula for the nth term. That is a sub n equals a sub 1, the first term, plus n minus 1 times the common difference d, where a sub 1 is equal to the first term 1, and a sub n, the last term, is 47, and the common difference d, well, you know, they told us this was arithmetic, so we can look at that list of terms that are being added in the given information, take any one of those terms, subtract the term that came before it, and we'll have our common difference. So let's take the number 2 and subtract the one that came before it. 2 minus 1 will be our common difference d. It's equal to 1 by inspection. Okay, so that means that the formula tells us that a sub n, which is 47, equals 1 plus parenthesis n minus 1 times the common difference d, which is 1. Okay, so let's solve for n. That gives us 47 equals n. So we've got it. When we simplify, we're able to get 47. The ones cancel, so we get 47 equals n. Okay, so we know our index, and we can finish using the formula now. That's step 4, find the sum. Well, we're going to pull the formula down here, s sub n, and let n be 47. The sum of the first 47 terms, s sub 47, equals 47 divided by 2 times 1 plus 47 times d, which is 1. So we simplify in the parentheses, cancel 47 times 24, and we do the multiplication, and that gives us 1,128 is the sum of these terms. So we were a little tricky on step 3, but when you're doing the homework, you'll notice that sometimes you have that issue where it's not easy to see how many terms are in the list. So this trick that we use for part 3 will get the answer for you.